Hello students, welcome to History and Civics class. Today's topic is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In this topic, I have to highlight the main points of this topic and which are important, what we have to learn. Before starting the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, first you have to know who is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha at present. At present, our Speaker is Om Birla from BJP, and since 2019 he joined. Open your book, page number 18. Look at there. Our parliament and the officials of the two houses, how it is divided. I think it is helpful to you. It will help to you for understanding this topic. Parliament, we know our parliament, who the main president of India. And president of India, it is divided two parts. One is Lok Sabha, another one is Rajya Sabha. Already we know President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This three-tier system is included in Parliament. So, Parliament, President of India, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, who are the main heads? One is Speaker and second one is Deputy Speaker. So, and in Rajya Sabha, one is the Chairman and second one is Deputy Chairman. Clear? So, in Lok Sabha, two main heads, one is Speaker, second one is Deputy Speaker. So, today's topic, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. So, we have to know about the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Okay? So, let's get started about the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. So, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, in a short type question, you can get question, who is the principal presiding official of the Lok Sabha? Very important question, and a short type question. Answer will be the Speaker. So, then look at the question point number 1. Election of the Speaker. Election of the Speaker. The Speaker is elected by the House from among its members. In this House means in this Lok Sabha's member, who are the member, they by a simple majority of member at present, and by voting they give vote to the Speaker. So who give vote? The members who are in Lok Sabha's members. Clear? They can give vote to elect of the Speaker. Understood? Okay. The next one is the Constitution also provides for the office of the Deputy Speaker. I have already said one is Speaker Lok Sabha and another one is head is Deputy Speaker. So, Deputy Speaker who performs? So, when he performs Deputy Speaker? Deputy Speaker performs the duties of Speaker when the latter is absent or while the office of the Speaker is vacant. So, what is the duty of the Deputy Speaker? When the Speaker is absent, Speaker will go somewhere or anywhere. He is for any reason he is absent or she is absent on that time, or the seat is fully vacant. On that time, Deputy Speaker is elected and removed from office in the same way as the Speaker. Clear? Then we have to look at the point number 2. Point number 2 is panel of chairpersons. If the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker both chosen by the speaker. So that means when speaker is absent, so the speaker can give information that I will absent and deputy speaker also will be absent. So on that time I choose 6 members of these chairpersons, means of the members of there. I choose from this house, I choose 6 members who will take this time, any facts, any situation, anything, they will choose and they take decision, any topic. The next point is the removal of the speaker. How? The speaker holds office until he ceases to be a member of the house, or until he himself resigns of his office. He can be removed. How? His office by a resolution passed a majority of all then members of the house. The speaker doesn't vacate his office on the dissolution of the house. He vacates it immediately before the first meeting of the newly constituted house. Then the woman speaker. On 3rd June 2019, Meera Kumar, a Congress MP, became the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha. So who was the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Okay, a Congress MP. Then after Meera Kumar, who? Sumitra Mahajan. You can see picture in your book. Sumitra Mahajan, who? The speaker of the Lok Sabha. Okay. Then the role and the function. So after Sumitra Mahajan became the second woman speaker of the Lok Sabha, then now who already I said before at the first Om Birla elected as a speaker on which Lok Sabha, on 17th Lok Sabha, he appointed on 19th June 2019, and he won his first Lok Sabha election in 2014. Okay. Then we have to know about role, power and functions. There are 6 role, power and functions. Regulates, debates and proceeding of the house. From here, any 2 points you have to learn. From here also you can get question. Mention any 2 role, power and function of the Lok Sabha. Then you have to mention A, B, C, D, E, F, G out of 6, any 2. But in this sub point means regulate debates and proceeding of the house. From there also you can get question. For example, mention any 2 regulate debates and proceeding of the house. Then you have to mention in book. There are given from this there are 4 points are given. Sorry, not 4, 5 points are given. So out of 5, any 2 or 3 you have to learn. Speakers presides over meetings of the house, already we know. All speeches and remarks are addressed to the chair. Then the speaker decides the admissibility of questions and all resolution. He is the final judge to decide the admissibility of a motion of adjournment. Then all bills, these are also passed by the House and authenticated by his signature. Whose signature? Speaker's signature, before they are sent to the Rajya Sabha. So first it is passed in Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, Speaker first sign, then it will hand over or sent to Rajya Sabha for his consideration or to the President for his assent. So first Lok Sabha, then Rajya Sabha, then go to President. Then fourth point is very important question. Very important question from where you will get. Which bill is not passed in Lok Sabha, only passed in Rajya Sabha? That is money bill. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker thereon shall be final. So, if any questions arise whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker thereon shall be final. Clear? Then next question, the Speaker shall not vote in the first instance. When the votes for or against a proposal are equal, the Speaker gives a casting vote. The vote decides whether or not to the proposal will be passed. Then next point, this disciplinary function. Watch next video.